let's discover today another scholarship, but this one not really for masters or PhD or even undergraduate program. This is a short program which is calling with the name with Future Leader Assembly in Indonesia. So this is also a fully funded program that can help you to come to Indonesia, and especially in Bali. As you can see here, this program will be held in Bali. Okay, so in as they say, in the dynamic city of Bali in Indonesia. So this is really a really good program for you if you would like to discover Indonesia, and also know about a really program that will be really interesting, because this is about leadership, and also discovering Bali might be really wonderful for you. And out of all, it's really a fully funded program, so you can just try to use this program to come to Indonesia and then try to discover how things are here, and then it will help you to make network, connect with other people that can help you to apply for other scholarships that are available in Indonesia. I think this really sounds really great for you. And if you are also an international student in Indonesia, you can also still apply for this program, as you can see here. Okay, so if you are new here, I am Amadou Lucello, and I'm a KNB awardee 2023, and I share opportunity related to scholarship in Indonesia mostly, and also other scholarship throughout the world. And I also share my experience to help you win a fully funded scholarship. If you have not yet joined the WhatsApp group, try to join it so that you get update from time to time, and also my help related to scholarship. And of course, I also invite you to subscribe so that you don't miss any other opportunity that I might be sharing in the future. As you can see here, the deadline is 28 February 2025. Okay, so this is a conference. Okay, this is a conference that will held in Bali in Indonesia. Okay, the name is Future Leader Assembly Indonesia. Okay, 2025. So the event name is Future Leader Assembly Indonesia 2025. The date is from 11 to 14 April 2024. It's a 4-day event. As you can see here, it's a 4-day event, but most of all, it's a fully funded scholarship. Okay, fully funded program. The place is in Bali. The mode is in person. It means here they will pay for your fully funded round trip ticket to come to Indonesia, especially in Bali, beautiful city. If you not yet discovered this beautiful city, you gotta to watch my other video that I have already shared, because I have been to Bali, and I also share video related to Bali and how the place is really is. So this conference is really wonderful for you, not only because of the city of Bali, but of course because of the important thing that you will get during that conference. Okay, the last date to apply is 28 February. Here is the link. I will share the application link for you to use it so that you apply for this program. Okay, because my aim is to help you guys win a program in Indonesia or throughout the world, which is a fully funded program. So as you can see here, the Future Leader Assembly Indonesia 2025 is a prestigious gathering set to take place from 11 to 14 April in the dynamic city of Bali in Indonesia. This event aims to bring together a diverse and vibrant group of participants, including young leaders, policymakers, entrepreneurs, activists, educators, and students from around the globe. The conference will serve as a powerful platform for dialogue, collaboration, and action, focused on empowering the next generation of leaders to shape a sustainable and inclusive future. So it's really wonderful things for you as someone who would like to come to Indonesia to discover the country and also to study here. You can apply to this program and get benefit from this wonderful opportunity, and also come here and apply for other scholarship once you are here, because you will have a lot of things. So the term for this one is empowering youth for a sustainable future. Okay, because this term really emphasizes the critical role that young leaders play in driving sustainable development and innovation. So as you can see at the top, the key topic and session that will be here will feature a series of keynote addresses, panel discussion, workshop, and interactive session focusing on the following key topics. The first one is youth leadership and governance. This is my topic, sustainable development innovation as well, because I'm working on something related to sustainable innovation and education skill development, global peace and security, if you apply to this program, you have a chance to meet me in this program, because I also will apply to this program, and I hope all of us will be selected for this wonderful opportunity. Okay. And as you can see, they have 20 seat, which is fully funded seat. They have also another uh, partial fees. If you are already in Indonesia, you can apply to the partial program. So the 20 fully funded program in this category is designed to make this transformative experience accessible to exceptional young leader, regardless of financial barrier. As a fully funded delegate, your round trip ticket, airfare, shared accommodation, conference meal, and full access to all conference session, workshop, and event are included. So if you are part of these 20 people who might be really considered for this program, everything will be covered for you to come to Bali and experience this wonderful opportunity, which is this conference. We will have youth leadership and governance, keynote addresses, discussion on sustainable development innovation, education, skill development, and global peace and security. This is really a wonderful opportunity. So this opportunity is offered to individuals who demonstrate outstanding dedication. So you have to be really someone who show outstanding dedication to driving positive change and commitment to sustainable development in their community. It's really very, very important. Okay, so to be considered, you need to submit a compelling application that highlight your leadership journey, goals, and vision for a sustainable future. Okay, you need to provide. I also show you how you will apply for this program. So the eligibility here, the company is open to young leader, student, if you are a student, if you are a young leader, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are an educator, or you are represented from civil society organization, professional and researcher with a focus on youth empowerment and sustainable development, you are also welcome to apply for this program. Okay, so if you have any other uh, information that you would like to ask them, you can directly go to this email and ask them directly. Okay, now let's see how you should apply to this scholarship. Okay, so you can just come here, apply here, as you can see, then you wait for a few seconds. They will directly show you this page. Okay, so this page will be what you will see. So you will first fill your personal information, because you have 5 categories here. The first one is the personal information. You will fill your information here, all the information, number, emergency contact. Make sure that you have an emergency contact before you continue, before you start the application, because they will be asking you an emergency contact that you need to put here. Okay, and after that, your date of birth and nationality, and of course your passport. You need to have a passport, of course, because if you will travel from country to country, you will really need a passport. So an educational and professional background. So this one also is the same thing. You also need to put your information, because I did not yet apply, that's why they did not allow me to come to this page. But what you will know is that you will need also to put your academic and professional background, like what you study, what you are working on with the project and everything. And after that, the next step is motivation and vision. Okay, you also need to show your motivation, why you would like to attend this program, and why you are the right candidate, and what is your vision for this event, why you should be the right candidate for them to help you and give you a fully funded opportunity to come to Bali in Indonesia. Okay, so that's the motivation and vision. And after that, consent and agreement. This is not something that you just need to stick. Okay, and after that, billing, because there will be a little fees that you can pay as a participation fees for the application. That's all, but this fee is really, really very small compared to the opportunity that you will be really having here. Everything covered to come into Indonesia and experiencing all these opportunity. And also it will help you maybe to meet other universities that are in Indonesia. Okay, that can help you to study here with a fully funded scholarship. I really think that it's really important for you to consider this opportunity, as it's really a rare opportunity, and you still have time. It is the deadline is in February 2025, so you still have more than 1 month remaining for you to apply to this scholarship. Almost 2 months. Yeah, it's about 2 months, not almost. It's about 2 months that you have for you to apply to the scholarship. So don't really don't give up about this opportunity, because it's really might give you an opportunity to come here with other scholarship or the students that are studying in Indonesia. They will give you tips about how to study in Indonesia here, and you will also have the opportunity maybe to meet other universities representative, where you will discuss with them. You will also learn about leadership, governance, peace and security. It's really a wonderful opportunity for you, either you are in Indonesia as an international student, or you would like to come to Indonesia as an international student to discover and study in Indonesia. This is what for all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to, of course, to subscribe. I will call you to subscribe, but if you have not yet already done. But the most important is that I invite you to join the WhatsApp group, because if you join the WhatsApp group, you will have you can ask anything that you want in this group. You can also leave any comment if this video was helpful here on YouTube or in the WhatsApp group. I will answer you. I will be really glad to read you guys, and also share any concern that you have related to studying abroad. If I know, I will try to make sure that I share the opportunity with you and I guide you throughout your application. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.